With my work, what I do is I take Gothic art, architecture, heraldic imagery, and when I remake them inside the computer, I transform them in certain ways. I change the materials, I change the look of them, I add in contemporary iconography, and the result of these worlds and images that are seem like they come from alternate histories. The Gothic art and architecture has a lot of power. It has a presence that I'm just really interested in. It just commands like reverence, and I think a lot of times what I do is I sort of take that reverence and I sort of give it sort of like absurd qualities or ridiculous qualities, but also sort of elements from consumerism and our contemporary iconography. I took the Target logo, but I turned it black. I tried to manipulate it, and I tried to turn it into something else. So it sort of borders on advertising, and I like that slickness, and I like sort of utilizing that commercial aesthetic.
Basically, yeah, I used to live in Scotland, and I made a lot of work based on the kind of my surrounding environment and the superstition and ritual that went along with living in a really rural, small town, agricultural area. I come from Lanark, which is like this really small historical town, and they have like a gallery, a year-long gallery, and they go and mark the boundaries of the town. There's a mud site, and there's Whoopity which is aeronautical spirits every week, and people just kind of stay there their entire lives, and it's really important that they have a big part in these rituals, and it was something I never really felt connected to, and I thought it was really bizarre to kind of live your life around this. It became like the most important thing to them, like was these annual rituals, because they didn't seem to go anywhere else. So that I made a lot of landscape paintings kind of based on that. And
I have another degree actually in science, and then I did my second degree in fine arts, so I'm like combining science and art together. And I usually use microorganisms, so you can see them here in the real microorganisms. Yeah, they're living organisms actually, and then they're growing, and they're like simple life forms to reflect the human behaviors actually. So I use them as the human behaviors. I just put them onto the growth media, and then they grow from there, and then they create their own territories, and then they fight for food, and then they're living with their own rules actually. Right.
And so do you capture the stages?
Yeah, they're the close-up pictures.
My name is Jack Henry. Graduating with an MFA from the University of Maryland. This is a recent piece that I've done. It's untitled, but the idea behind it was that it would resemble a core sample from some mysterious, unknown landscape.
Hi, I'm Joseph HOFFMAN. I'm a third-year MFA candidate at the University of Maryland. This is Cinders Blew in Our Faces. It's a audio installation, sculpture. It's 8 channels of sound through 80 speakers. My main concept in general, something I've recently become interested in, sound as a sculptural object, and its ability to be touched at a distance. And how, when you walk into a dark room or a cavern, you can project your voice into that room and get a sense of how big that room is.
assuming.
You could look where.
No, actually,
things.
just look at it to introduce yourself, and then you
Okay.
can start talking and pointing and referring to your
I'm going. It's not going to be video the whole time.
All right,
Yeah.
deal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Tim HORJUS. I am a third-year graduate student at the University of Maryland, having just finished defending my thesis and submitting the written part today, so it feels good. And this is my empty studio.
80?
80, yeah.